out almost 800,000 immunizations.
This number is what we are expecting moving forward. Every year is going to be around 800,000 immunizations.
Almost 785,000. That's across all of Interior Health. We actually provided more in 2022, more in 2021 as part of the COVID immunization response. And so it's a huge undertaking.
Interior Health is hoping the year-over-year vaccination rate remains around the 800,000 mark. But Dr. Mima acknowledges many people have reached vaccine exhaustion.
I acknowledge that there is vaccine exhaustion, as you say, like people have been overwhelmed with messaging around getting vaccinated, and most people have complied and have gotten vaccinated. However, some people may be now thinking, okay, we need a break from this, give us a break. And that is showing in our immunization rates. Our immunization rates are not where we would like them to be.
And that's really our focus now, to make sure that we're available to provide those other immunizations, especially in our childhood population.
Well, IH celebrates National Immunization Awareness Week and says thank you to their own staff and other community vaccine providers. They also want to make sure that the next generation, especially children, keep the vaccinations up to date.
Measles is a serious disease. It's one of the most contagious diseases. Like, it spreads really quickly if people are not immunized or immune. Measles is a threat, and we know that if we don't keep our immunization rates high, and that means above 80 or even 90% for measles can make a comeback.
Dr. Mima says vaccines remain the best way to combat illness like polio and measles, despite what some people say about them.
There is a very small but very vocal group of individuals that will question the validity, the science behind immunizations. I can tell you as a public health physician that immunizations are based on very sound science, and that are one of the major accomplishments in public health history.
Dr. Mima says it's important for people to make informed decisions when it comes to their health and their children's health. But Interior Health is also there to provide those answers and point you in the direction so that you can make those informed decisions. Rob Gibson, Castanet News, Kelowna.